Here are 10 signs of a false pastor.
Here is another sign of religious spirit or spirit of Pharisee. First is coward. Why? He can cast out demons on people. Why? They are afraid. They are coward. They are running. When the people have demons, they are run because they are afraid. They don't have faith like these guys that they are accusing of. They are so coward and they cannot heal even pray for healing even flu. Why? They doesn't have faith.